Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before getting into this video, I did this Bantu Knot Out and I'm honestly not even sure if it was a pass or a fail. I think it was a fail because of the sides aren't as defined as they should be, but at the same time, the front is not that bad. And you know, it's a learning experience and I'm definitely gonna try it again. So if you wanna see how I did this look right here, then stay tuned. So I started off with my hair freshly washed, and for this style I did not use any leave-in conditioner. I only used my oil and my styler because I didn't want to weigh my hair down too much and I wanted it to dry the next day. When you're twisting your Bantu knots, you start twisting towards the middle of your hair. Don't start at the roots because as you're twisting, it's going to form a knot at the roots on its own. And what you do is you twist around that knot. You twist the hair in itself and you just keep twisting. And I used a rubber band to secure it so that it doesn't move. But don't twist at the roots. Twist towards the middle so that it could form a knot at the roots and you can twist from that. You already know I'm using my staple oil, Africa's best, the best, literally. And then once I apply that, I'm going to apply my styler, which is going to be my Cantu Twist and Lock Gel. As I mentioned before, you start twisting in the middle and then you twist the hair around itself. As you're twisting around itself, you twist the newly twisted hair at the bottom. And then you just keep twisting until you run out of hair. Then you find either a bobby pin or a rubber band to secure your hair. And you're done. The next day when I'm taking my hair down, you do the same thing as anything else, honestly. You twist it in the opposite direction that you twisted it. And then since I have rubber bands in my hair, I make sure I take them down really smooth so I don't disturb my curls. So even if you have rubber bands or if you have bobby pins, just make sure you take them out really carefully so you don't want to mess up the curls that you just made with the Bantu knots. Separating this hairstyle is very easy because all you have to do is just take the hair and pull it apart from each other. So if you want your hair to be big or if you want it to be small, it's up to you how many times you separate it, but you don't have to do anything else aside from that. And if your ends are frizzy, like mine were in some parts, I just take my finger and I twirl my hair around it so it can get the shape, but that's pretty much it. Fluffing this hair was such a struggle for me. Like, I honestly could not figure out what to do with it. However, I use a pick to fluff out my hair. But if you want to use a comb, you can use a comb too. It's up to you. But I just prefer a pick. I ended up using some bobby pins to make like a faux bang so I could hide the big part that I had. But it was still like a really big empty space in the middle. I don't know why I just keep getting these empty spaces, but this is what worked and kind of like saved the hairstyle for me. Once you finish fluffing your hair and getting it to the shape that you want it to be, you should be all good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.